Welcome student, welcome to another session of your computer science class. This is Amitabh Ghosh from Great Mission Public School, Himmatpur block. Student, up till now, I gave you brief idea about control panel, for what purpose your control panel is used. It is used to check different type of software and hardware settings, and accordingly, you can customize those settings. I already showed you two control panel items. One was about administrative tools. What is the purpose of administrative tools? Then I showed you device manager, where you can check what are the hardware device attached and what are the software or application it is used to make your computer work through those hardware devices. So today we would be dealing with another module of control panel item is date and time, where I will show you how to find date and time, what are different methods through which you can check and adjust date and time, what are the time zones, all these process that I will show you today. So without any delay, let's start. So students, as you know, we are in the third day of your chapter number 3, more on Windows. So we will deal with today on date and time control panel item. Yesterday I have already gave you brief idea about control panel system folder, what are its function. I already show you some administrative tools and device manager. So today, as your topic in the book suggests about date and time, so we will deal with date and time. I will show you two methods to adjust date and time, and then in the next session we'll go ahead for recycle bin. So let's get started. Let me minimize this slide. And so many windows were open. So if you check your desktop screen, at the bottom portion, this horizontal bar is known as taskbar. On right side of the taskbar, near notification area, you will find date and time. You all are familiar with this, where if you have an administrative access, you can very well right click and change the time and date setting. So right click on date and time section bar and click on adjust date and time. Now when you click on date and time, it will show you a window where you have information about current date and time. If it is correct, as mine is set to automatically, it is automatically detecting from system battery, which is also known as CMOS battery, where already time is set. If somehow this date and time is wrong, then you have to manually adjust date and time. How you can do that? Simply click over here to set off time automatically, and it will activate change button to set date and time manually. So click on it. This is the window of change date and time, where according to your current date, month and year, you can select and you can make changes. Similarly, for time, select the current time along with minute. Once you select current time, click on change to make an effect. As because my date and time is already set properly, so I click on cancel. Other than that, you will have time zone below. You already know that we are in India location, and our time for India is follows Indian Satellite Time, or IST. So this time is very much different from universal time, which is UTC, Universal Time Clock. We are already ahead of 5 hours and 30 minutes from universal time. So in case this time zone is set wrong, you have to click on this time zone area to find the correct time zone of India. So if you scroll down this section, scroll up and scroll down, as I said, India has set to plus 5:30 hours after universal time. So once you found this section, simply click on it, and once you select the correct time zone, it will automatically make any changes, and that date and time along with time zone will reflect on this area. The second option, as I said, you have to go to control panel. So in order to do that, in Windows 7 you have to click on start, and on right portion of Windows 7 you'll find control panel on this area. But in Windows 10 there are several options to go to control panel. On this extreme left side area, click on down on document, and the document window will appear. Now in this address bar, the corner of this address bar, you'll find the forward arrow symbol. Click on it and it will show you a drop down list where you will find control panel. Click on control panel and the control panel window will open. Now, as because default view is category view, you will find date and time in clock and region area. Click over here and it will give you set date and time. Go over here and it will open date and time window, where you will find an analog clock with date and time. If you want to make changes, click on change date and time, and according to your choice you will set the calendar. If it is wrong, first select month, proper month. If you have selected proper month, go above and click on year. Make sure you have proper years area selected. Click over there, select month and then date. In a similar manner, set clock time, which is hour, minute and second, according to the correct date and time. Once you are set, click on OK, and in time zone area, click on change time zone button and select proper time zone for India, as it is already been selected. Once it is done, click on OK. If the changes that you made is correct, you will find apply button is activated. As because my time zone and date and time setting is proper, so I'm getting this button deactivate. In your case, if it is wrong, apply button is highlighted. You have to click on apply and you have to click on OK. Once this is done, in this particular area you will find proper date and time. So that is it for today. In the coming days we have to deal with recycle-win, where I will guide you how to delete the file and how to recover or restore the file from recycling. So student, stay tuned for the next session. Goodbye for now.